Hey everyone! If you're an Indian expat living in Ireland and dreaming about that perfect US vacation, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to get your US tourist visa, also known as the B1/B2 visa. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. Make sure you have legal resident status in Ireland, like a work or study permit, or an Irish residency card. Next, complete the DS-160 form online. Head over to the US Department of State's website, fill out the form and save the confirmation page with the barcode. Now move on to paying the visa application fee. It's about $185, but check the exact amount in euros for Ireland. Then schedule your interview appointment at the US Embassy in Dublin. And good news, your biometric details will be taken on the same day. Prepare your documents. You'll need your Indian passport, DS-160 confirmation page, visa appointment confirmation, payment receipt, and Ireland residence permit. Also, gather any additional documents like proof of ties to Ireland or India, financial documents, travel itinerary, and an invitation letter if you have one. On the day of your appointments, provide your biometrics and attend the embassy interview. Be ready to answer questions about your travel purpose, ties to your home or residence country, and financial stability. Then, wait for processing. If your visa is approved, your passport will be returned via courier, or you can collect it from a specified address. Finally, pack your bags and travel to the US. Make sure you carry all relevant documents for immigration checks. For more details, check out the US Embassy in Ireland's official website. Safe travels and enjoy your trip.